What's going on, everyone? It's your boy, Momo Trades. We back. How is everybody doing? Welcome in, welcome in. Welcome in. Market just opened. Got some nice movement going on. And as you can tell, you don't want to know what happened to the two PA accounts. We've had some revenge trades yesterday, had some revenge trades the day before, and just like that, they're gone. Just like that, they're gone, man. Now we got 5 eval accounts going. We might have a nice entry here. All right, in and out, in and out. Basically, I saw one leg down, 2 legs down, higher low, still in this little channel going up. So got our first trade for the day. What's up, Bill? I appreciate it, Bill. I appreciate it, Bill. Let's go, Snake Eye. Antonio, baby squid. But back to square one. Got 5 eval accounts this time, so hopefully we can make these ones count. We gotta just be slow and steady, slow and steady. We know what we need to do to get to these PAs. It's just what I should have done from the start is only use one contract on the PA accounts. 2 contracts, definitely too high of risk, because I mean, I had a couple losing trades, and just like that, I was down bad. Getting a lot of stacked bars at this level right now. We closed up here yesterday, so we might just be trying to fill that gap as well. Looking for prices to come up to 42.10, 42.15, right around there. But let's see if this upward channel is really something like this, which is a possibility. So we'll keep an eye out on it. Honestly, if we had a failed second entry short right here, great bullish bar. That was also a nice entry. Trapping a lot of shorts here. That's why we had this nice push up. Mr. Rogue Trader, you can set a max loss in Rhythmic. Well, that's another thing. So from now on, I'm gonna have to stick to the rules we've been talking about. So 2 losses, absolutely done for the day. No excuses, no bending that rule. So that's rule number 1. 2 losses, done for the day. And then also, I don't want to take any more than 4 to 5 trades in one day. So I still haven't decided which one I'm gonna stick with. Either 4 trades done for the day or 5 trades done for the day. But no matter what, if I have 2 losing trades, I'm stepping away. Because my issue isn't taking bad trades. I mean, I guess it was yesterday after I was on tilt and was just revenge trading, but My real issue is just having big red days out of nowhere. And that's all mental. It's all mental. So we're basically bouncing where we opened up today, but I'm still leaning towards us coming up to 42.10, 42.11 to bridge that gap. Sneezing all over the place. But it is a big bummer. I mean, basically, the last month of work down the drain. But it happens. It happens. That's the prop firm lifestyle, I guess. It's a cycle. It's a cycle you go through. Actually, you're right. You're right, baby squid. It is a big lesson learned because now I'm gonna implement my new rules. I'm gonna only use one contract when it comes to the PA accounts. So now we just gotta get the PAs again. But yeah, actually, you're right. You know what? That's the wrong mindset. It's not down the drain. I actually did learn a lot about myself, especially tracking the last month or so of trades. It gives me more confidence knowing, okay, you know what? It's a profitable method. I'm seeing the charts well. I'm a chart reader that I'm a confident chart reader, and I've been able to decipher good trades from not so good ones. And now it just comes down to discipline, honestly. Like, I just wasn't disciplined the last 2 days, and my risk was just too much. It was too much, and then honestly, you guys off stream, I was literally just like, I just gave up on the accounts. Honestly, I just started taking trade after trade. I was like, okay, let me see if this one works. I was like, okay, you know what? These accounts are already pretty much blown. Let me just see if I can get lucky, but it was the wrong mindset. It was the wrong mindset from the start. Gotta just limit those red days to minimal losses. Okay, so it's interesting. It's an interesting crossroads we're at right now, because we have a lot of support or a lot of resistance at this area. Basically, came back to where we opened in the overnight session. Now we're having a break of this little structure. So it's possible we're in a range as well. Like we might just be in a range like this, where we come back to 4170s, then work our way back up. So early in the day, we'll have to wait it out. Let's see what this price action shows us. But honestly, this downtrend that we're having does also look pretty valid. It looks pretty concise. We're bouncing nicely off the highs, bouncing nicely off the lows, it seems. So it's also possible that this wide uptrend isn't even valid, where we just had a spike, little channel, break of that channel, 2 legs up to a new high. If this is one leg, that's basically 1 leg, 2 legs up, exactly measured move, and then Now we're working lower. But man, we're all in this journey now. You guys are all witnessing. So, I'm trying to make you guys proud. I'm trying to make you guys proud, man. I was disappointed in myself the last 2 days. I don't know what got into me. But man, it's okay. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. I mean, at the end of the day, because I wasn't using my own money, it was a lot lower. It was a lot lower risk. But also, it's just about that pressure when you have a PA account. And I kind of got into the mindset of I need to make money now. I need to make it in X amount of time, and that's 100% not the right mindset to have, because the last whole month when I was using the evaluation accounts, I didn't really even give myself a timetable. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to be slow and steady. I'm going to listen to my rules. I'm going to follow the course, follow the path, and eventually the wins will stack up and the days will stack up. The green days will stack up. The count will grow. Then that's how we got to the PA. And then when I got to the PA, my whole mindset switched. I'm like, okay, now it's time to make money. Now it's time to make money. But you never, as a day trader, you never want to be in that mindset of you need to make money. You kind of just got to let the setups come to you. And then when the setups come, that's when you can pounce. But you don't want to feel the urge where you need to make a certain amount of money in one day to make up for yesterday's losses, or you need to make money in 2 days to make up for 2 days losses. It's a bad mindset to have, because you're gonna just take riskier trades than you normally would, because it's all just in your psychology. You might have had a losing day and you're pissed about it, and then you're like, okay, let me just increase the amount of contracts I take on this trade, or let me take this trade. It's a little risky, but I need this little extra risk because I need to make up for yesterday. But at the end of the day, that's just how you're gonna even lose more. Okay, so we're having another push by the bulls, strongly above the EMA. I really don't think I'm very confident in that little push up. So that's why you guys saw I almost went short right here. If this was the bearish bar, I would have went short. Nice two-legged pullback. If we get a lower high below the EMA, that's what I wanna look for. I mean, we'll see what happens here. Who gets trapped? Do the longs get trapped or the shorts? So I mean, if you're of the mindset that we're still in an uptrend, there's not a bad long right here, but I just don't see all the reasons to keep going long after we already got rejected another time at this level. But hey, it worked out. It worked out. So let's see. Let's see if we still have this wider uptrend. It's possible we're just trying to take out these highs right here. 42.05. 42.05. But if we do start working lower, I want to take a lower high below the EMA. Because like I said, I'm not confident in this move up we're having. Doesn't look too valid. I mean, we're getting higher lows, we're getting higher highs. I just feel like a trap is coming at any moment. But maybe we are going up. Maybe we are going up and we got a little uptrend like this. I don't know just yet though. Tough to tell. Okay, so here's that break below the EMA. If we get another lower high, that's what I want to look for. That's what I want to see. Because we are getting stacked here. Okay, and we are indeed having that push lower. I want to see another higher low or another lower high. So I want to see a bullish bar here. I want to see a break above this bullish bar and then a rejection bar. Can we get it? Can we get a lower high? We might just go down without us getting a chance. And there we go. There we go. Yep, there is some news coming up as well. 13 minutes from now. I don't know how high impact it'll be though. I don't think it's supposed to be very, very high impact. But once again, it's good to know that our chart reading was on point. We didn't take these higher lows. I mean, it worked out this time, but doesn't mean it's going to work out next time. I said we're most likely seeking a new low of this downtrend, but there's also the conflicting pattern of whether or not this uptrend is valid, this wider one. So that's why I wasn't confident in this move up. Okay, and we're quickly going to these lows. Maybe I should have considered this lower high, even though it was above the EMA. Not a bad trade. But let's see what happens. Okay, we've matched this low. See if we get one more tick break below this. Or if we just bounce right here. But at this point, I think it looks like we're in a range. Let's take a look where the midline is. Midline 4160, 4187, right about. Okay, we got 10 minutes till the news. I don't know how high impact it'll be, but something to keep in mind. But it looks very choppy. I mean, from the time we opened, we went up, down, up, down. Literally, look at this. Look at this pattern. It's like a M. M for Moo right here. And it appears we're working lower. That's that head and shoulders, ain't it? That head and shoulders. 5 minutes stacked with the range bars. Makes sense, makes sense. I mean, we'll see how we react here. We have a lot of support at this level too. I mean, the fact that we took out these lows already, might be time to even work back up again. Head and shoulders need knees and toes, indeed. Good morning, good morning. Buenos dias. Okay, let's see if we reverse here. Basically reacting off these highs as well. And we didn't, something to keep in mind, even though we had this push up, we didn't quite take out these highs. So we didn't take out 40, let's call it 42.05. We were 1 point away. So, I mean, it's close, but didn't quite take those out. So it's also a potential target. Yeah, so we had a double bottom here, a nice bullish bar. We start working above the EMA. I might want to take a long. Because basically what I'm seeing is this downtrend, 2 legs up, move to a new extreme. And we got a lot of support at this area. So let's see. Let's see what the market gives us. Let's see. Might just be stacked here for a little bit. Might just be stacked, yeah. Okay, we took out these lows. Let's see how we react. Let's see how we react, why don't we? Basically a third test of this level. 1 test here. Got another test. Third triple test. You might also have a downtrend drawn like this as well, so we'll see. We'll see if we keep working lower. The last couple of days, we've had so many conflicting patterns, conflicting beliefs. What's gonna happen? So we got this downtrend, we got the range, we got the overall range. But when you do see pushes down like this, some rejection at the EMA, it usually means you don't want to force a reversal just yet until there's clear rejection. And we got 5 minutes. 5 minutes till the news. So once again, we got a couple conflicting patterns. We got this little short-term uptrend. We don't know if this area will hold. We don't know if this is a valid downtrend. So yeah, we're stalling below the EMA here. 4 minutes till some news. And yeah, we're getting rejected. It's a Moo chart pattern, it is. M. Are we going to get a U right now? Are we going to get a U and go back up? So it seems like we're trying to take out this low right here. Yep, there we go. There we go, making our way there. It's also the midline that we have drawn. So now it seems like we had this move down, break, new low. Now is where I might want to start thinking to look for a long setup. Making my way downtown. That's true. Making my way downtown. I don't know if you guys knew, but I was actually a singer back in the day. Okay, so there's that long setup. There's that long setup. We've just moved so far down below this area. It's a little risky, but considering it. When can you see me on The Voice? I'm actually not allowed to tell you. You think I could tell you that info? If we do get a higher low here, I want to go long. We might come down and trap these longs first, though. We'll see. We'll see. What's up? What's up, fool? What's up, fool? Alright, we got trapped right there. We got trapped right there. was thinking that higher low might mean we were going back up, but we're a little too far below this this area. Oh man, and I wasn't even paying attention to the news. Okay, that was my issue right there. Oh my god. Totally forgot. That's what happens. I totally forgot about the news. I literally went long 30 seconds before the news hit. Not very smart. Not very smart. Honestly, we might even have a wider term downtrend like this. With the big downtrend, or the big trend yesterday, might have a consolidation day. Yeah, it's possible. Who knows? We might have another big downtrend. I know, that's another rule. I gotta stop taking trades during news. What am I doing? I totally forgot about this. I thought you guys were gonna warn me. That Toad Man, you should have warned me. Jeez, I was literally saying, okay, we got 5 minutes to the news, 4 minutes to the news. That did not even cross my mind once when I went long here. Warn me 13 minutes ago? Now you have to warn me right when I was about to take the trade. It's actually your fault, Johnny. It's always your fault. Yeah, you guys got to keep me accountable on my rules. 1, no trading. Call it within 5 minutes of a news announcement, or 10 minutes of a news announcement. Nah, 5 minutes. 5 minutes is fine. I mean, depending on the severity of the impact, but also 2 losing trades got to be done for the day, and then also I haven't decided yet. 4 or 5 trades total done for the day. 4 or 5 trades. Yeah, come on, Antonio Raimundo. Antonio. It's up to you. I'm gonna remember. Man, don't tell me about it, Johnny. I mean, these are only eval accounts anyway. And the reason I got 5 eval accounts is because it was 90% off. So it's really, I mean, each one was like $16. So I was like, you know what? Let me throw some money. It's not a lot. Maybe I should just honestly try to pass these evals in like, what I used to do is just try to pass evals in a few days, just using crazy amount of contracts. So maybe on this next trade, I'll trade like 10 contracts. Should I do it? You tell me. Okay, we're having a nice push down. Mr. Johnny's saying we might have a bounce here, though. I'm honestly still thinking we're going lower. We had a lot of room to the lows. Turn off trade copier. Nah, go big or go home. I mean, yeah, obviously, I only want to take high probability trades. But yeah, I mean, they are essentially a sim account, but I'm not trying to waste money. I'm trying to still build good habits. But we'll see. We'll see how the next few days go. I might get impatient and just start throwing 10 contracts at a trade, but we'll see. Okay, we're in this short setup. We need one more tick. One more tick. Okay. Basically, two-legged pullback. One leg up. Two legs up. Bearish bar. Still expecting a new low here. See if we keep working lower. That's definitely a strategy, Johnny. Just yeah, max leverage on like a bunch of eval accounts and then just trying to get them all to PAs. Yeah, there you have to at least trade for like 7 days, but yeah, you can yeah, you can use micros on them. Yeah, of course. The PAs are where it counts, 100%. Okay, might have a nice short here again, double trap. Can we keep working lower? Can we keep working lower? One more tick, one more tick. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Nah, you're right, Johnny. I mean, I've done everything there is to do with these eval accounts. It's just when when I've gotten the PAs, I've just still had that aggressive mindset and kind of screwed myself over because I kind of kept that mindset where in the evals I would try to pass them as quickly as possible, so then I would bring that to the PAs and try to bring those accounts up as fast as possible. But that's the wrong mindset to have on PA accounts. But let's explain this trade right here. So basically, we had this leg up, first attempt to go short. This was our second attempt to go short. So where we went short the first time, that was the second entry short. Then what happened was that we had another push up. We took out all these stops, all those who went short, and we're going for, I guess, more than 1 point scalp. They got trapped. So then a lot of longs were piling, thinking we're gonna take out take out these shorts, and then we had a nice bearish reversal bar, so all of the shorts who they got trapped, they're going to go short again, and then all the longs, they're going to get trapped themselves, so that's why it's a double trap. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. One more trade and we're done for the day. One more trade and we're done for the day. That's it. It was tricky. It was tricky. I mean, it was stacked. But those double traps are very, very powerful. Then now we also got a couple conflicting things going on. We have this short-term leg up that is a potential opportunity for a new high, and we also have this clear downtrend that we're trying to take out the low of. But right now we're just sideways, congested. Did any of you guys get some more accounts yesterday with the 90% off? I guess no one did. You should. I mean, do you only use Apex, Johnny, or do you trade your own funds? What about you, Rogue Trader? Coco Trades, use my code? Hell yeah. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Coco Trades. What accounts did you get? 50K? 300K? 150K? Oh, do you only have one account, Johnny? I've honestly been considering. You got 250K accounts. Nice, nice. I appreciate it. Good luck. Good luck. Time to make this money back, baby. What was I gonna say? So you slowly lose money on your TD Ameritrade account. Well, I mean, if you're slowly losing money on it, you might as well get like a small evaluation account. See what you can do with that. Just for the peace of mind. But what I was going to say is I've honestly been considering maybe getting a 300K account, because when you get to the PAs, it's all about the trailing threshold. And obviously the higher the trailing threshold, the more risk you can take, but also the more leeway you have. Like in the 50K accounts, you have 2,500 trailing threshold. If you have a 300K account, you have 7,500. So if you're only using one contract and you know you have $7,500 to work with, and you're trading one account, that's a great peace of mind. But then again, the profit target is 20,000. So if you're trading one account, I mean one contract, it might take you like literally like 10 months to get that profit target. But if you have that patience, and you're in it for the long game, that might be the best method. You got 150K. Now, why would you want to blow it though? You can trade both. I got you. Johnny. Well, I mean, you got to just go with the trend. If the trend is going down, go with it. Don't force your long trades. Man, why are you over leveraging? Come on, Johnny. Don't be like me the last 2 days. Don't go crazy like me the last 2 days. I'll be your accountability buddy. You be mine, all right? Oh, you're trading stocks. I thought you're trading futures. I'll be back in 1 second. Gotta fix my second monitor. You guys with me? You guys in here still? Who's still in here? Let me know. Mr. Rogue Trader. You're funded with Apex and you got 6 backup evals passed. You've been trying out Top Step, see how they are here. They pay out quicker. Yeah, they do pay out quicker. So I mean, it depends what you really value in a prop firm. If you want the extra payouts or the quicker payouts, it might be better to go with Top Step, but I've never really looked into it that much. I don't know. I've just been used to Apex. I'll say that. I've been used to trading with Apex. Baby squid, hell yeah. Well, that's the thing. Even though Ninja Trader requires 500 per mini, you really want like ideally like 5,000 per contract, because 500 is not a lot of room to work with at all. So if you only put 500 into a Ninja Trader account and you're trying to make money, you have one loss and half your capital is gone. Damn, Rogue Trader, this guy's a beast. You're trading 1 micro per $500. All right, keep it up, baby squid. Keep it up. Get that payout. Let's go. Well, Johnny, the thing is, it's not just about the margin. It's also just about how much risk you really want to have, or that you just want in your account. Like, you, even though the margin might be small, you still want to have a lot of leeway. That's the best option. Okay, and looks like we're finally trying to get out of this congestion, this little sideways action. Finally trying to take out these lows. Will we take them out? Yes, we will. Yes, we will. Might be a good time to take a little failed breakout. If it was a bullish bar, I would have considered it. Okay, now we might get a chance. We're gonna get a failed breakout here. Let's see. Let's see how this bar prints. Man, we ain't getting no bullish action. Johnny, would you just rather use your own money than use a prop firm? Is that what it is? Because honestly, I've been of that mindset for a long time, but it was mostly because I've blown so many. Okay, we need one more tick. We need one more tick. Okay, a couple of our accounts didn't get filled. Oh no, we're still in the trade. Oh my god. Man, we got screwed again with the trade copier. We got screwed again with the trade copier. 2 of our accounts didn't get filled. Man. Okay, look at that move up. Look at that move up. I got you, Johnny. I got you. I got you. All right, so I'm gonna call it a day there. 4-1 for the day, not bad. Fortunately, 2 of the accounts didn't get filled. 2 of the accounts didn't get filled right there. So, we'll be back tomorrow. We'll be back tomorrow, day number 2 with these evals again. All right. Peace out, guys. Have a good one. I gotta follow these rules. Gotta follow these rules. 5 trades, that's enough.